Here I have Blackview Tab 6, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So first you should select preferred language. I'll stay with English, then tap Start. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have it on you can just skip this step for now, do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also just skip this step and connect to the Wi-Fi later, when you have, for example, some opened network around you or something. Then you can set up the date and time. Then you have these Google services, which I suggest you to turn off. Then tap Accept. Then you can set up screen lock, but you can also just skip this step and do this later. Then you have to agree with user agreement and license agreement, privacy policy and stuff. Then you have to select the system navigation method, could be gestures, could be buttons. I suggest you to use gestures, because in my opinion buttons are kinda old-fashioned, outdated and just a sign of a bad taste, so gestures are your choice. Then you tap next and device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.